got here. Me too.
So on the struts, what I'm saying is we're gonna have to. They got the ride height adjustment.
Yeah.
We need to bring them up,
Mm-hmm.
and then on the back, I did make a couple of adjustments on the front, but then on the back, I wasn't able to do it. I ain't been able to get back there and get those.
Yeah.
So I wanted to get those off, but the brakes are over here, and like I said, I just didn't want to. I didn't want to take the wheels off and put them back on.
Yeah, that makes
and
sense.
not change them brakes out.
Yeah.
So, and then I did squeeze an oil change out my son.
Okay.
So we did that, but
Yeah.
so that's just, to me, that's the wheel balance.
Yeah. Yeah.
Deal. So that part I ain't really worried about, but I that's why I'm not sure. I'm like you. I think it might just need retorquing, but I don't know what. And I ain't been able to get out there to deal with it. But see, I mean, it stares. It responds good. It responds good. This when you come to the stop sign, is that car still coming behind you? If you put it in, let's say put your foot on, but now put it in reverse.
That feels like a differential bushing. Yeah.
Okay. And
Yep. That's all that is. Just a bushing mount.
Oh yeah. Yeah. It don't drive bad, but you can see how it's a little bouncy.
Yeah.
And it just, I mean, bumps are felt. Bumps are bad, bumps are bad, and bad bumps are horrible.
Yeah.
You know, but it has a little bit of the like I remember when that strut was broken.
Yeah.
Before I stopped driving it, it actually looked like at night. It actually looked like the headlight was broken by how it wobbled so much. You know what I'm saying? Like
Yeah.
when you would see all of.
Seems like it might be probably just a little too stiff.
I think so.
That's what I feel, yeah.
Time.
Again? Again? Keep doing it. Seems like it's a, no, it's not a U-joint. You feel the U-joint. Do it again. 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 All right, do it again.
Boy, they catch me like, nah, buddy. Yeah.
We got 101 on the back side of it. We're gonna probably get that to like maybe like 120.
All right. Well, just holler if you need anything.
Okay. Yeah, so we're gonna lift up. I'm gonna take this tire off first.
Gotta do it like you famous.
Say it again.
Yeah, you do it like you famous, like following.
Like, what we doing now? Okay, what we doing now?
Be like all in with the touching.
Sometimes you be seeing some of the video when I be popping the hood and I just be like,
Yeah.
frustrated.
This how the parents do me. They be like, he's like, how you
I
keep
be like, bro, you good? I need
unorganized.
Yep.
Clean up. Clean up.
Get organized. What are you looking for? What are you looking for, bro? Don't you think if you would have put it back in the right place, you would have found it? Did nobody ask?
Just to the height on them coils. Let's pop these brakes. Alright, we got this side on the passenger side, lifted up to 100 millimeters. Now we got to do this other side. It's at 87. You can kind of see the difference too. So we're gonna lift it up. Like I said, we had like 87.
Right there.
Just look how this look. With the red GTs in there.
Yeah, I installed these I want to say October.
But that smell like road spray.
It's a good WD-40. It's probably WD-39 and a half because it's off brand or something.
See them struts? Red struts.
You should use some coilovers for the Corolla. It probably costs like $100.
What?
Some of these,
Oh.
you can control the ride height. You can make it lower. You can make it taller. You can have the settings all the way up to where got that loosened. And then this one. Yeah. Tighten this one in place.
Talk about some high-end like brakes or some high-end rotors and shit. Like,
Oh shit.
what niggas be using when they be racing and shit?
Probably carbon fiber rotors and ceramic brakes, or even probably carbon fiber brakes. Them things be like, I had one friend, he had a GTR, and them rotors on that, just the front rotors was like $6,000 for the carbon fiber package.
Damn.
Yeah, and they work. They definitely work. But shit, that's what really would stop us from, or stop him from racing so much with us when I had that bike.
Parts? Parts for it?
Yeah, just him having to like his braking system. Like, man, trying to stop a car constantly from like 170. That definitely do something to them brakes.
Bruh, this is part of the Phil Herb's diet in New Orleans. We used to drink a Gatorade every day. One Gatorade, that's all you need.
And fix 10 cars.
Some chicken, and then like from like 7 till like 2 in the morning, just drank whiskey.
We got it to 100 millimeters on both sides. I think that should be a good enough ride height. Because it wasn't really rubbing on that side at all. I don't see no kind of tire wear. I just see it on this side. And that side was like 90 something, 91. So I raised that one up 9 millimeters, and I raised this one up right up like 12, 13.
Herb.
Edit some sounds go, make a musket sound. Pump the brakes.
What comes in there?
Some brake sauce and some pads. These are ceramic too, and they smell lovely.
Smell it again? Addicts.
Smell of
Addicts.
That's why I became a mechanic. I smell parts all day. Oh, take that back. We can adjust the height right here, I think. Yeah. Okay, so I think adjusting this may May increase the ride height on this side.
Some sauce. Nope. Egg and rice, onions. That's good. You can eat that any time of the day.
And I started naming all the rice. I was like, you got brown rice, black rice, wild rice, jasmine rice, basmati rice, Cajun rice, dirty rice,
Gucci.
rice, parboiled rice, long grain rice, short grain rice, yellow rice, orange rice, red rice, Spanish rice, Ethiopian rice,
Coconut.
rice, jollof rice. It's all kind of personalities. Okay. And that is a like 13 on the back. $14.
What's your advice for mechanics getting dirt on their shirt and
Just
stuff?
don't do it. If you're gonna be in customers' cars, you want to stay as clean as possible. You know, just because you fix them don't mean you gotta look like it.
What that is then?
What?
On your sleeve.
Oh, it's dirt. It's not a lot of dirt though. That's the key. It's not a... Oh, that's dirt from yesterday. That's different. What? Okay, we got this.
Texas is
Oh, side note. We got this from 100 millimeters to 115. 115. So that's good. I think that's about what we need. Wait, you saying the Texas Rangers?
Oh yeah. So no. State Trooper.
State Trooper.
State Trooper is like, you know, they basically are like the middle. They're a step up from like the local rangers, and then like the federal cops are basically the FBI.
Having access to them.
Yep.
You'll probably be able to eat free at certain restaurants.
Bring you back. That was almost flying.
Right. Fresh set of brakes. We got 100 millimeters on the front end, and we adjusted the ride height on the rear to 115. And that's to keep it from rubbing so much.
Let's take where the closest place where I hit that fender. But I mean, I can feel spreader, smoother. Oh man, definitely that.
I'd have too much fun in this.
Yeah,
I need to get a bike.
I was gonna go get on the freeway.
And just like that, we all finished.